until midnight Eastern Standard Time Sunday. This watch includes the following counties in Florida: Lake, Orange, Seminole, and Volusia. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather,
First
including
weather watch on
tornadoes,
my
large
actual
hail, and
radio,
damaging winds.
and not on that.
The watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial and public radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. The Weather Roundup.
Yes, thank